Good fucking morning, my family. How is everybody doing? Happy Monday, man. Happy Monday. We're back. We got another whole week ahead of us. I haven't even done a chart breakdown yet. I've just opened up the chart for the first time. I've already seen there's some people in the chat that have been taking some shorts. So the guys that have been shorting, we're going to have a look at that. But guys, how's everybody doing? How is everybody doing, man? How was your weekend? Put the chat up on the stream for you guys. 400. Okay, cool. And then we're going to start a breakdown shortly. Guys, I'll look at the chat now. I see there's a few of you in already. I haven't even looked just yet. Let me make sure you guys can see. Okay, sweet. There we go. Chat's up on the screen. And now we can start business, yeah? But, oh shit, sorry, wrong one. There we go. I think that's cool. Sweet. So guys, what we're going to do today, right? It's Monday. We're going to look at high time frame quick because it is the new monthly candle. We're on the new monthly candle chat. So we're going to look at previous month, how that closed. We'll talk about that. Then we'll go over what I could possibly be expecting this coming week, right? Because obviously you guys know I speak a lot about candle science, right? So the way a candle opens, creates a bottom wick, flips, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to get into too much detail right now, but we're going to talk about that. But before we do, who's in the chat? Sarvesh, good morning, brother. Good morning. Tariq, Dan. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Cam and the gang. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend, ready to tackle the NQ with patience. Exactly. May everyone's strategies come light in this blessed day. Yeah, man. I'm also going to talk about last week. Last week was a crazy week, guys. I mean, fuck. We took 15... I took about 16, 17 trades, and out of that, 15 wins. I'm talking 90% win rate last week. Even maybe a bit more, which was crazy. It was crazy, right? How am I going to now take that into this new week, right? I can't come into this new week expecting I'm gonna keep having that amount of wins. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start this week and forget about last week, right? I'm gonna forget about how much wins I took last week, because if I'm holding that in the back of my head, if I take a loss, I don't want to go on tilt, right? I'm not going to go on tilt, but if you're gonna now constantly need wins, the minute you take a loss, if you haven't mastered your psychology yet, it's going to affect you, right? So I'm going to go into this week as if last week didn't happen. Last week was a fucking amazing week. Don't get me wrong. It was a great, great, great week. But now, this week, it's a new week. And we're going to tackle this week, okay? From day one. Patience does pay, Mario. Exactly, dude. Exactly. Guys, I need to break down the New York session trade we took last week Friday. The New York session trade we took last week Friday was fucking crazy. Guys, for the guys who are on the New York session trade with me on my YouTube channel, that was a crazy New York session, man. That was, I think we called a 1 to 6 risk to reward. We're going to break that trade down quickly. And then I'm going to break down a trade as well that I took on Friday evening. Yeah. Because I took another scalp that people wanted me to break down. I'm going to quickly break it down, okay, for you guys. Enjoy the losses for the other ones that teach you. Yeah, losses do teach you to an extent, for sure, okay. So yeah, let's quickly go to last week, guys. All right, New York session trade. Fuck, it was crazy. I'm gonna do breakdown, guys, of what I'm seeing currently today shortly, but let me just go to that last week trade. It was a crazy. Fuck, where was it now? Oh yeah, here we go. So we took we took the buy in New York session, guys. This buy, fuck, it was crazy buy, man. So I know some guys got in a little bit earlier than me, but guys, we were we were bullish, right, on Nasdaq last week, Friday. If we're bullish, we only look for buy entries of EMA. So over here, right, we can see prices below. The minute we close back above, guys, EMA on this candle, I know that someone in the live stream took this buy on this candle over here. Right, so they entered there, and then they obviously managed to catch this entire fucking move to the upside. I entered on this candle over here. The pullback into EMA, the closure back above, break. That's where I entered, right? That was my entry. I did enter off a 2-minute though, but that was my entry over there. And we managed to ride all the way up into the 450s. Fucking huge trade, man. So the guys that took that trade last week, New York session Friday, congrats. Crazy trade. If you guys want to be part of the New York session, guys, check the chat. I've pinned the link to my YouTube channel. Go subscribe. I go live New York session every single day, right? So I'm live today, so go check that out. But anyways, guys, let's look at the monthly time frame quickly, yeah. Monthly time frame, chat. Look how we closed last. Why the hell? Okay, I can't zoom up to pull this across, but last month we closed extremely bullish, man. Extremely fucking bullish, right? Okay. I could expect, looking at the weekly, price opened up. We've created a top wick, grabbing previous month high and previous week high, okay? We've opened up and grabbed previous week highs, and it looks like we could maybe pull back. Now, if you're in my community, I'm going to be teaching very soon about candle science, okay? I'm not going to be doing it now over the stream. But basically, candle science, guys, you need to understand candle movements and how they work, because if you understand how a candle moves, you will then increase your win rate drastically, right? So let me find last week. So guys, I'm just going to mark off over here. So over here was last week's high, okay? Let me just quickly. So today we opened up on the new weekly candle. We rallied into last week's high. We grabbed those highs and now we're pulling back. If we can get back below the open of the weekly candle, of this week's candle, okay, which is down here, we can get back below the 3400 area, which is the open of this week's candle, there's a high possibility we will sell off, okay? Have a pullback, right? We'll have a pullback. High possibility pullback, right? So, sorry guys, let me get my thing ready. High possible pullback if we can get below the weekly open, right? So this is now me setting my daily buys, right? I've decided, guys, I am finished breaking down my strategy over the streams. You're going to need to join the community to be involved in that now, right? I will obviously do analysis, but I won't be telling you why I do certain things anymore, okay? You need to be in the community in order to be seeing that now, okay? But if you want to obviously learn more about why I do things certain way, just join the community and you'll get more information. It is for free, yeah? Anyways, if we can get below this weekly open, chat, I can see us dropping, right? And for some sort of pullback, maybe down into this weekly gap down below here. That is a very far target, but that I can't say. I can't predict that right now. That is very far away, okay? But all I'm looking at right now is this weekly candle that we're currently trading, and I'm going to watch what it's doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark off the weekly open, right? Let me mark it off just green so I don't lose it. Okay, so I know that's the weekly open right now, okay? So we grab previous week highs, we're pulling back. This could be the top wick of the weekly candle. We could flip and go make a bottom wick as well, right? Or if we get back above previous week's high, we might just keep going higher. That's the second scenario. If we get above previous week's high, we might keep going higher. I do think, chat, I do believe NQ is going to come for 31,000. I do think we're going to come for 31,000, guys. That is my higher time frame. That's my overall target for longs. If we're going to continue longs, I think we can move up into the 31,000s for sure. For sure, man. But we got a whole month ahead for this. So let's just be patient and wait to see what happens. But 31,000 could be a target for longs long term. Okay. Daily candle. Daily candle. Shorting an all-time high, guys, is fucking risky. I'll be honest. Okay. Yes, scalping an intraday short, but guys, you need to understand something. You can, and I'm going to give you guys something, and I'm bringing this up in the psychology part, in what I'm busy in the community thing I'm doing. But you can have a prediction, right, for where price can be going, but just because you have a prediction does not mean that's going to be happening, right? You need to wait for price to confirm that prediction for you, right? There are certain tools that you can use for those confirmations, for price to confirm your prediction. For example, if we start closing above previous week's high, which is this orange line, okay, dotted line, that's my confirmation of my prediction that price can potentially move up into 31,000, yeah. Anyways, so today's daily candles opened up, we've spiked higher, and now we're having some sort of pullback. Let's see what's going to happen on this pullback. But if we start gravitating back above previous week and day high, we can very well hold above that level. I would need to see price hold above that level, fail to break back below, and then I can look for EMA entries higher. Okay, very important. This is all multi-time frame analysis, setting your daily bias, guys, that I'm currently doing. Right, it's very, very important. If you can understand multi-time frame analysis correctly, as well as setting your daily bias, there's a high probability you will win majority of your trades, right? Because you're going to know the direction where price is going. Okay, so cool. Daily's opened. We currently spiked above. We're having a slight little pullback. Okay, cool. 4 hourly. 4 hourly is pulling back. This is why some people are shorting right now from this 4 hourly pullback. Yeah, 4 hourly is currently pulling back. We got above previous week's high, and price immediately got snapped back below. Now we are above EMA, right? We are above EMA still. Price might pull back into EMA, into the open, which is down here. This is the open of this week's candle, guys. This is the weekly open down here, the daily open, right? Sitting at the 400 level. So let me wait and see what price wants to do at this level. Okay, so right now price could very well short down to this level, but I can't say just yet. We might not. We might not. So 4 hourly is pulling back. Overall, I'm still bullish on the higher time frame, right? But we are having a slight pullback. Hourly, guys, this is where things can get a bit easier. Hourly key levels, another very important part of the strategy. Okay, key levels. I'm going to mark off level up, this level up here, which is sitting just below the 600s. That's where that seller stepped in and pushed price high, pushed price lower. Okay. We also have a level over here, sitting at just above the 500s. I'm going to quickly remove this level. Firstly, I'm trying to keep things simple right now, because I don't want to overcomplicate. But if we can get above this level, guys, sitting just above the 500s, if we can hold above the 500s and then hold above the 550s, I'm going to buy the shit out of Nasdaq. I will buy. As long as I can start seeing a candle close back above my EMA, back above these two levels, right? If I can see a closure back above, let me change this green so everyone is on the same page. If I have a nice bullish closure back above 500, above the 550, and closing above that EMA, buy the fuck out of Nasdaq, guys, and we'll keep running all-time highs. Okay, if we fail to close above and we start holding below, we could see maybe a rollover into the open, maybe lower. Okay, we just need to be very, very patient for this right now. That's it. Okay, I'm just going to keep this level on right now, chat. I don't want to keep any more. I want to keep it simple as hell today. It is Monday. I'm very careful on Mondays, yeah. So this is the 15-minute, man. Let's see the 15-minute, how we react. I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute right now, because this is where I'm gonna get my entry confirmation. I'd rather want to use a 15-minute closure above this area and above EMA, because remember what I said, higher time frames hold direction a lot more than a lower time frame would, right? So if I get a 15-minute closure back above the 520s and the 550 area, above that EMA, the next 15-minute candle, I'll probably trade that. But I need to see a nice 15-minute candle close bullish back above the EMA, okay, in order to start looking for the buys. But if we fail that and we start closing back below that EMA, we can maybe scalp a short. For example, if we, guys, do this, if we come up into EMA, into this key level, right, we close above, right, if that next candle, sorry, let me make this green, chat. If that next candle closes back below like that, I will then probably short into the weekly open, into the daily open. Okay, I need to see how price is going to react at this EMA right now. This is going to be the setup we'll probably take live on stream. But as you've all seen, guys, patience really does fucking pay. Patience pays big in this game, as you all saw last week. So let's just keep being fucking patient, right? Just keep following the system. Let's keep following the strategy, yeah? And let's make money. Anyways, guys, that's my breakdown. So right now, what all I'm doing is I'm going to wait for price to react with this EMA, either for buy or sell, and I'm going to take it, okay? Remember what I said, guys. Trade what price is currently doing, not what you think it's going to do, yeah? Because if you're going to start trading what you think, you're going to lose. You need to trade what it's doing. Anyways. Okay, let me read the chat. Sorry, guys. If inverse is a 15. I don't care about your fair value gaps, bro. I don't care about the fair value gaps. That's your strategy. The less you trade, the more you make. That is very, very true. Although last week was, I traded a lot and I made a lot. So I don't know. The counts, guys. My account is sitting on $20,000, man. $20,000 in profit. Crazy, 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 crazy. Okay. Guys, if you just jumped on the stream, let's hit that like button. Come on, let's hit the like button, chat. Let's run the likes. We're only on, there's 90 of you guys in the stream and there's only 14 likes. What's going on, bro? No, I'm saying for the longs is a good confluence. Yeah, I mean, if you want to use the fair value gap for the long confluence for yourself, I'm 100%. I completely back that. You must trade what you guys see. You must trade what you guys see. Yo, Joe! Joe's in the chat, man. What's up, Joe Biden? Tell us where that fair value gap is, bro. yeah, he is without. Joe is always in the chat, guys. Fuck, Joe's so funny, bro. Guys, I just want to put it out there. If you want to join the New York session streams, check the chat. I've linked my YouTube channel there. Go watch my, go subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Turn your notifications on. I trade New York session every single day, live in front of everybody. And I'm continuing to trade my Thunder Pro Futures account there as well. I'm going for $100,000, guys. I'm trading this account to $100,000 because I want to buy a supercar. I'm telling you, I'll do it. I will do it. I'm trading this account to $100,000 so I can buy a supercar. But yeah, anyways, guys, the link to my YouTube channel is in the chat. So if you want to go watch my New York session streams and be part of my community, everything is there. The community is for free as well. I love you, Thunder Pro. I love you too. Oh, the Discord. Dan, the Discord is in my YouTube channel. Go check that. It's pinned. It's in the live stream bio. Yeah, exactly, Mario. Obliterate the thumbs up, man. Obliterate it. Will you ride Bailey in the supercar? I won't ride Bailey in the supercar. I will take Bailey for a ride in the supercar. Of course, she's my princess. She's busy sleeping right now on the floor, on her bed, next to Dad. Isaac, what's up, brother? Mario. Yeah, guys, you don't want to miss a New York session stream today. Honestly, I think we are going to have for some reason, it's Monday and it's the new monthly candle. I think something's going to happen today. I've got this feeling. It's also a big week this week, guys. It's NFP week. I hope you guys have paid attention. It is NFP week. Market is going to be volatile this week, chat. We are going to be crazy. I think New York session will be very interesting today. So you don't want to miss the New York session stream. Will be highly interesting. Okay, guys, we've come up into EMA. We have traded into EMA right now. Let's see how price is going to react on this EMA. Let's see, man, how price is going to react from EMA. I'm learning the wiggly worm. Nice. Yeah, let me tell you guys, this strategy is the most simple, most profitable strategy I think there has ever been to exist in trading futures. Hands down. I've been doing this for 8 years. 8 years. And I've done everything live on stream in front of you guys. You've seen it all. You've seen it all. Like, it's mental. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's facts. I'll argue it with anybody. The strategy I have put together, the most profitable, simple, beginner-friendly strategy anyone can trade. And it makes trading so fun because it's so fun to execute off the strategy when you're confident. Honestly. Last week, Friday evening when I took a scalp, I entered 60 MNQ contracts. 60. I was so confident in the setup, man. Price reacted off one of my key levels, closed back above EMA, and I was like, nah, this thing is going to go up to 450. I caught a 50-point move. I was so confident in that 50-point move. I fucking slammed 60 MNQ contracts. I made $4,000 just like that. Yo, Daniel traded every strat the last 2 years. Since I traded the wiggle worm since 1 week, I funded easy 4 accounts and fund this week the next 5 accounts. Fuck, Daniel's killing it, guys. So Daniel is inside of my community right now, and man, he's been posting his setups like every day. And this guy has he's probably sent through like 10 setups in the last 4 days, and he has probably lost one of them. I can't even, it's mad, bro. 1 or 2 of them. Currently, dude, you're killing it, Daniel, bro. You're killing it, guys. You are killing it, bro. For sure. Just wait until my course drops, bro. You are gonna fucking be like, let me tell you right now, what you guys are learning through me, it's a lot, and you guys are already killing it. But man, wait until I break down some things in depth. You are good. Your mind is gonna be like, boom, like absolutely just blown out the water, and you're gonna have your light bulb moment. 100. Oh shit, sorry guys. My beard touched the mic and turned it off. What is the last thing you heard me say? Sorry guys. The mic, for some reason there's this little touchy thing on the top of my mic, and when my beautiful chin touches it, it turns it off. Away Ruan! Away Ruan the Safi in the chat. Oh, light bulb. Yeah. So what I was saying was the strategy course I'm going to be putting out. Yeah, it's going to give you all a light bulb. Like whoever's going to be part of that, you're going to get your fucking light bulb moment, 100% guaranteed. 100%. If you can't become profitable from that, like you're going to need to reconsider like trading, bro, because this shit, bro, a baby can do it, dude. A baby can do it, bro. Yeah. It's gonna fucking blow your mind out the water. I'm putting so much effort into it, guys. Like I'm been staying up late at night, making sure every detail is inside of this thing for you guys. Yo, Toxic, what's up, brother? Let's see, man. What time are we sitting? Okay, the new hourly, guys, opened up. Let's go check the new hourly quick. Okay. Check it previous hour, guys. We had a big rejection, right? Price is trying to push back up into the 500 level. We are above it right now, but let's see if we can start closing above the EMA. If we can start closing back above EMA, we can see the reversal higher, I think. But let's wait and see. Let's just wait for the 15 minutes. 15 minutes coming to EMA, man. 15 minute has come into the EMA. Let's see how we react. I would need to see a big green fat candle close above. But if we fail to close above, man, I might short. I use EMA 9. Exponential moving average 9. EMA 9. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe, man. I'm live every single day if you guys are enjoying the show. And please give the stream a like. If you guys haven't already, guys, please can you give the stream a like? It means a lot to me, man. When I see every time I see the stream hit 100 likes, I'm like, fuck yeah, like I did it, you know. Let me come back tomorrow. What's the music name? I don't know. Sarvesh, I don't know the name of the music. It's some uncopyrighted music. Okay, yeah, here we go, man. Let's see. Price is rejecting EMA. We are having a rejection of this EMA on the 15, man. So let's see. 5 minutes to go and let's see how this closes. Guys, I wanted to let you know, next week I am traveling. I'm going to a city in France on the border of Germany. It's called Strasbourg, right? I'm going to Strasbourg for the week, next week. I will still be streaming. Monday when I travel, I might only stream the New York session, okay? I won't be able to stream our time now, at the fact that I'm going to be driving. I might only stream New York session, yeah? So I'll keep you updated on that. But then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, back to normal. I'll be streaming from the hotel where I'll be staying, right? Or the Airbnb, I don't know yet. But yeah, I will be streaming, man. I will be streaming. Let's hope to God the Wi-Fi will be good enough, but I will be traveling. Isaac, join the channel waiting for tutorials. Nice, bro. Nice that you've joined. You'll see at the bottom of the streams, guys, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, go to the streams, the pre-saved streams that I've already done, and look in the bio of them. There's a link to my Discord. It's a free community, chat. There is a free community there into my Discord. It's growing so nicely, guys. There's so many of you in there right now, sharing knowledge, sharing your setups. Yeah. So go join that if you want to be part of the free Discord community. I like shorts. Yeah. Me too. I like shorts. Yo, Dan, nice, man. I'm so glad you've joined it, brother. I'm so glad you've joined it, dude. There's going to be so much... What is that? There's going to be so much to learn, dude. So much coming, bro. This is just the start of everything, bro. And you know what's so crazy? Is that coming live on YouTube and seeing the amount of traders that I'm changing, like, in a very positive way is fucking the most motivational thing for me to keep giving, bro. Like, it's insane, dude. I love it so much. I was actually speaking to my fiance the other day. I'm like, you know what? Since I've started streaming, like, I'm actually changing some of these guys' lives. Like, I can see it, what they're sending me out. I've received so many messages through Instagram from some of you saying how much you're enjoying the show, how much you're learning, and you didn't realize trading can be this simple. Bro, that's the reason I'm doing this, man. And seeing that is like the most... I can't wait to see the future, what's going to come from this. And I can't wait to see you guys message me one day and some of you say, yo, Cam, I just quit my 9-to-5 job. Like, do you know? I can't wait to see those type of messages. And I know I'm going to get them because some of you are so close, bro. Some of you are fucking close. Oh, beats. No, you don't say I saved you, bro. You know what? You need to give yourself credit. You're the one that's controlling your risk on that side of the screen. You know what I mean? You might, get my ideas and copy my trades. But at the end of the day, you are the one taking control of your trading account. So give yourself some, some credit. You know? I appreciate you, Vista Forex. Appreciate you, bro. The day you quit your job, you'll be coming to the Alps. Yeah, dude, if you guys ever want to come fucking snowboarding with me, man, you just text me and be like, Cam, I'm here. Like, let's link up. Come. I know that some of you are actually not so far away as well. I do want to do something, guys. It'll be so cool. And I'm talking maybe next year, do something where we can link up together and just snowboard and trade. Do you know what I mean? Definitely do something like that. Okay, guys, look at this rejection of EMA, bro. If this closes, I'm going to enter short. So if this 15-minute closes, I'm going to look for a short, guys, right? We failed to get and close above EMA. A strong rejection. Something I'm paying attention to. Look at the hourly, guys. The hourly has just flipped bearish, bro. The hourly has just flipped bearish. Okay? We created the top wick on the hourly candle and we flipped red. This is candle science. Exactly what I'm going to be teaching in the community, right? Very fucking important because, guys, candle science will boost your win rate on another level. 5-minute, guys. Look how we're closing back above EMA off that 5-minute, chat. Oof, this could be a nice little... I'm going to enter 15 M&Q, guys, off the short. The only thing I'm not the biggest fan of is how we didn't come into this level. But we are rejecting the 500s, chat. We are rejecting 500. So we are holding below it. This is going to be the first trade of the week if I execute it. Guys, if you do copy this trade, take this at your own risk, man. Take this trade at your own risk. If you copy it, it's not financial advice, right? If you copy me, you will lose all your money, right? So don't copy me. Wink, wink, wink. Let's see, man. Let's see if we get the entry. Yo, I'm already short from 3,500 with the stop loss on previous 15 minutes. Nice, nice. Yeah. For me, I need to wait for the closure back below because the closure back below is my confirmation to short. Do you know how many times I've seen this happen? Price can then just fucking go up from here. So we need to be patient, guys. It's Monday. It's NFP week. Oh, Nifa, good morning, girl. How are you? How's your weekend? Lissandra, what's up? All right. Can we do it? Can we do it?
Order fill.
All right. I've entered short, chat. I have entered short. Let's see, man. Let's see if we can get it. I'm going to put my stop sitting at the 510. Just sitting above 500s in case price wants to come back into the 500 level. I'm risking 800 on this. I have gone in a little bit of heavy size with 15 micros, which is 1.5 contracts. TP, guys, the minute we hit this, if we do sell off and we get to this low down here, sitting at the 450s, you can start to manage your trade, right? Which is at a just over a 1-to-1. But I think if we can hold below the 450s, we can come down into the open, which is a $2,000 trade for me. Let's see, man. Yo, Nick, what's up, dude? Lissandra, I'm good. I am good. Lissandra, win or lose, I'll copy your trade. Yeah, let's see, man. This is exactly... Wow. World's worst fucking entry goes to this trade. It's Monday, huh? It is Monday, guys. So just lower your risk if you want to play it safer. Cam Bam, I missed you, dude. Of course I missed you, bro. How's our mascot Bailey? She's sleeping, guys, right now. Well, the minute she wakes up, I'll bring her on stream. She's right next to me. She's sleeping. She's very tired. Her mom just left today to Paris, guys. My fiance went to Paris this morning for 5 days for work. If you guys don't know, my fiance is a tattoo artist, guys. She's very, very, very good, and she works in Paris every second month. Lissandra, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. just keep learning, man. And even when we lose, we're still learning. Because when we lose, we can break down that loss and figure out why we lost, so then we can avoid it on the next trade, right? Something I don't want you guys to do is come on here and full port your accounts, man, because you want to pass quick. Please don't ever do that. And I know some of you do that. Please don't do that, chat, because you know what? My strategy has like an 80% win rate to it. There's still a 20% chance it can lose, right? You don't want that 20% chance to be on the trade you full ported, because you will lose your accounts. Okay, last week we won 15 trades last week, which is crazy. That does not mean we're going to win 15 trades this week. Just remember that. It's trading. We're in a game of probabilities. We patient, we wait for our setup, and we execute that setup, yeah. I'm not sure. Let's see, man. I need this 15-minute candle needs to flip bearish, bro. If we don't flip bearish, I might manage this trade, because we need to flip bearish, chat. The 50-minute did have a really nice hold below that EMA. We came up into EMA, we failed to close above, we closed back below with a decent amount of selling pressure. Let's see if this 50-minute candle is going to flip. But I think we can. I really believe, guys, we can sell off into the open of today. As long as we get under those 50s. If we get under those 450s, guys, it's over. We're going to drop into the open. Make trading simple again, chat. Make trading fucking simple again. And guys, if you have not already, stay hydrated, drink water. Okay? It's very important. Especially if you're living in France. Oh, did I wake you up? Come to dad. Come on in. Come to dad. Come say hi to everybody. Come. Come. Good morning. Good morning. Guys, let me tell you something. Sausage dogs are so dramatic. My sausage dog, she's so depressed because my fiance left. Oh, here we are, chat. Say good morning. Good morning. Look at her. She's so depressed. It's okay. And she's tired. Come sleep with dad on the lap. Come sleep with dad. Yes, it's cool. Ah. Yo, Raven, what's up, brother? Nice to see you here. Guys, Raven is another South African trader. Yeah, Bailey's cute, bro. She's good. She's so sweet. She's the best dog I think I could have ever asked for, man. She really is. Okay, let's see, man. This 5 minutes trying to get back below EMA. If this 5 minute closes back below EMA, chat, we could push lower. This could be the push lower if we can hold below this EMA right now. Come on, we got it. Yo, you're in with one full mini. Nice. Yo, Alessandra, Africa's beautiful, man. I'm going back to Cape Town when? So I don't know if any of you are in Europe, but guys, I'm going to Ibiza, however you fucking say that name, in the end of July for 1 week. So I'm going to Barcelona, Ibiza. Then I'm going to go to Cape Town, South Africa after. Oh, so that's the plan, my travel plans for this year. No, I don't live in Cape Town. I live in France. I live in France, bro. Bonjour, bonjour, bitch. France is fucking hot right now, dude. Holy fuck, it's hot as hell, dude. Yo, Alessandra, I'd love to come to Florida. Here we are, guys. We close back below EMA. Something, guys, inside bars. Who, obviously, some of you guys that have been paying really good attention know what an inside bar is. I'm not talking about that. You need to be in my Discord community to find out more about that now. But this is an inside bar over here, chat. We created an inside bar closing below EMA. Now we are finally pushing lower. Let's see if we can hold the momentum, guys, to go lower. The current 15-minute candle, let's see, has just flipped red, chat. We've just flipped bearish on the current 15 minutes. So this 15-minute candle opened up. We created a top wick into that EMA, and now we flipped bearish, which is confirming that this could be the push lower. Let's see if we can hold, man. I'm currently, guys, this is the 15-minute time frame I'm on. I'm going to stay on the 15-minute, right? A+ setup? I wouldn't call this an A+ setup, but like, it's an A setup, not an A+. Maybe just take the plus away, but it's like an A. If this touched this level up here, guys, and then close back below EMA, then it would be an A+ for sure. But it didn't do that, so that's why I said, make sure your guys' risk is like on point, you know. Yeah. So guys, I won't lie, I was tempted. So this so this 200,000k account that I'm on is a funded account, right? As you've all seen, I've requested payout out of this account. I'm sitting on $20,000 in profit right now. I am allowed to withdraw the full 20k. Why? Because Funded Pro Futures has uncapped payouts. I'm allowed to withdraw $20,000 right now out of this account because I am eligible to do it. But the reason I'm not doing it is because I'm trying to grow my account, guys, to hit daily payouts. I need one more payout and then I hit daily payouts. But before I take out my last payout, before the daily payouts, right, I want to have a $20,000 buffer in my account before I take my payout. So I'm going to grow my account to like $25,000, request 5k, then I've got $20,000 in a daily payout account. Do you even understand how much money I can make from that? Sorry, Funder Pro, I'm coming to milk you. I'm coming to milk you. So get ready for that. But that's my goal, is to get this account on daily payouts with a $20,000 buffer inside of it. People are like, Cam, why don't you request the full 20k? Because I don't need it. I would rather have a $20,000 account with daily payouts. That's so much more important to me than having the full 20k in my bank account. Because let me tell you something right now. $20,000 in my bank account will go very quick. I swear to God. My bills, I spend a lot of money. I won't lie. I spend a lot of money on holidays, on where I live, on my rent, on a lot of shit. $20,000 will go quick. So for me, I would rather keep the 20k in the account and request like $1,000 a day, you know. No, if I withdraw the full $20,000 today, I will blow the account, because the $20,000 I have is my drawdown, right? Guys, NQ's pushing down. Nice. So yeah, I can't, like, I can withdraw the full 20k, but I won't do that, because if I do that, I'm going to blow my full account, because I'm going to have no more drawdown left. Yeah. Yo guys, there's 200 of you guys currently watching. If you have not already, man, hit the like. Please, let's run the likes to 100 likes, guys. Come on, I'm going to do a giveaway this week, if we can do that. Hit 100 likes for me right now. You've got 1 minute, go. If I withdraw 19,000, I'll have 1k drawdown. Exactly. What am I going to do with $1,000 drawdown? Seriously. I will then have turned this 50k. I would have turned this 200k account into a 50k account. No, dude. NQ, guys, look at this, man. If you guys, okay, in the chat, who took this trade? Who copied my trade, man? I know that there's some of you in this for sure. For sure, there's some of you guys in this chat, in this trade. Trade is running nice, guys. Once we break the low, I'm going to go break even or manage my trade. Once we can break under this low. If we do. Yo. Yes, a lot of you guys are in, man. Your prop firms are gonna fucking hate me, bro. What is wrong? Don't do that. You scare me. If you guys already want to give away an account, you should receive it this week. It was weekend. You will not get your account over the weekend, man. I can't say, guys. I'm not in control of sending accounts. Unfortunately, I wish I was, because I'd give them to you like right now. But unfortunately, I'm not that person. Come on, NQ. Imagine getting a nice fat win for the Monday morning stream. And then we still got the New York session stream. For all the new people, if you want to join the New York session streams, guys. I know there's a lot of new guys in the chat. Look in the chat. I pinned a link to my YouTube channel. Go subscribe, man. I'm live every single day trading my futures account on New York session on my YouTube channel, chat. There's also a link to my free community if you want to be part of it more and learn more inside of that. Yo, man, I need to see price come into the 50s. I need to see price come into the 50s. It is trying to currently hold the 70s, man. We need to start closing back below the 70s, and we should move into the 50s for sure. EMA is the fucking way. EMA is the way. Key levels, inside bars, EMA. It's all you need. Actually, I lie. Well, all you need is understanding a daily bias correctly. That's power. If you understand your daily bias correctly, that is fucking power. Because when you know daily bias, you know exactly what to do. Daily bias, EMA. What's the last one, chat? Key levels. Is everyone trading prop accounts? I do have a personal account, guys. I do. I trade both, but like I only trade personal account if I'm looking to swing. If I'm looking to swing a trade, I'll trade a personal. On my personal account, like, it's quite big. So what I do with my personal accounts, I don't scalp on them. I just use prop firms to scalp. So with a personal account, I will, like, I usually put like $1,000 risk on the line, and I will try swing it for as long as I can. If I'm looking at a big move, then I trade personal. And I just let it. I just set and forget it. I just leave it, like, to do its thing. I don't really watch it, man. We're almost at 100 likes, chat. Come on. We're almost there. If you guys haven't already, guys, subscribe and turn your notifications on. I'm live every single day on YouTube. Yeah. Come in your bed, please. Come, Bailey, in your bed. No, in your bed. Thank you. NQ, just you drop to those 50s right now, bitch. How you recognize a potential sweep? I don't understand what you mean. Is there Afrikaans? No, my bro. I dropped out school, dude. Like, I was so shit at school, bro. Like, I wasn't shit at school. I just hated school, dude. I dropped out school one time, bro. I didn't even hesitate. I was like, you know what? Fuck this shit. School is finished for me. Bro, I was so bad at Afrikaans in school, they exempted me from it, dude. Like, I was so bad at Afrikaans, dude. The principal was like, yeah, Cam, don't worry. We still need you to write the Afrikaans exam, but we won't add that to your report. Like, I was that bad, dude. I promise you, school wasn't for me. Like, it wasn't for me. I'm just not that. What's the Discord? Guys, if you want the Discord link into my free community, you need to go onto my YouTube channel, and you will see the link is in the pre-saved live streams, guys. Or go on my Instagram, guys. You'll find the link there. Yeah, let me open my Discord now. Actually, I'm curious. Fuck, it's growing rapidly, guys. Yeah. How many is in there? I think we're at like 70 people in right now. Nice. Randall, that's funny, dude. Yo, Randall said they graduated him from high school and asked the head teacher why. He said, we don't want you back, dude. That's so funny. Good morning, John. This is the 15-minute time frame, bro. Bailey, come in your bed, please. In your bed. No, you're not going out. You're not going out. It's too hot for you. Get sleepy. Doo-doos. Don't be depressed. Guys, my dog is so dramatic, bro. She is so dramatic, dude. It's crazy. Volume is quite slow, man. It is quite slow. But guys, 12 o'clock my time's coming up now, which is 5 a.m. I think, New York. Which means volume should start picking up soon, man. Volume should start picking up soon. So things are going to get a bit exciting, I think. Let's hope. It usually does, but it's Monday, so that's the only part that I'm not sure yet. You good? Are you good? Come here. This trade will lose because I'm long right now. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it'll lose. But if it loses, that's okay. Why? Because we took 15 wins last week, that's why. I'm telling you. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. You know I don't lose, chat. You know I don't lose. Guys, defend me right now. To all of my warriors, OGs in that chat right now. Defend me from magnet trades right now. Tell him we don't lose. Yo, this trade's taking long. I only lose 20% of the trades. That's true. That is true. That is true. Guys, just give me a minute. I'm going to go get myself a Red Bull quick. I'm going to take my dog to get water. I'll be 1 minute. We don't lose, home slice. Watch me come back and the trade's going to hit TP. Come. Fuck. Come. Here's your treat. Yo, yo. If you guys, I don't know if some of you drink Red Bull. Red Bull's like one of my bad addictions. There's this new Red Bull come out called Summer Edition. Guys, this is not a paid promotional video, just by the way. I would love to be sponsored by Red Bull, but I'm really not. It's called the Summer Edition. This Red Bull is top class, bro. Anyways, do you want a blueberry? There's a blueberry for you. There's a blueberries. Ah, oui. Yo guys, we're almost at 100 likes, man. Kombucha. I won't lie, kombucha's nice, man. I like kombucha. Listen, Red Bull's the only bad drink that I drink. I have this weird obsession with drinks, guys. Like, some people love like chocolates and candies and like weird shit. For me, like, I've got this obsession with cold drinks. So like, in my fridge, I've got all these crazy drinks, bro. Like, Yeah, guys, I'm just looking now. Let's see, man. Let's see if price can hold back below. Your price is struggling to hold below the 70s, huh? We are struggling to hold below the 70s, man. This is the 5-minute time frame I'm on. Bailey, come your bed, please. Get your bed. Please, thank you. My dog is crazy, dude. Don't want to listen. I can't let her go running around the house by herself when I'm streaming, because every time I do that, I come back and then she's chewed up something, dude. Yesterday, she was chewing the PlayStation cable, bro. The fuck's wrong with this dog? She's just a puppy though, bro. Come on, NQ. Just give us that drop. Bailey, in your bed, please. Get in your bed. Stop this. Okay? You're not going out alone, because if you go out alone, you're going to chew something. I know you. I don't trust you. Huh? No, don't look at me like that. Fuck, she's so sweet. How do I do it when I'm traveling to Ibiza and cope with the dog? I'm not taking my dog with me. I'm going to Ibiza with my father and my brother from South Africa. My fiance is going to stay at home with the dog. Yeah. My dad is a real G, man. Like, he parties Ibiza, bro, like one time, like. So I'm going to go, Joel. I'm going to go have a party with my dad and my brother from Cape Town. Bailey, get your bed, please. Stop now. Be a good girl, okay? Okay? Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, these dogs don't really listen, dude. I won't lie. NQ, let's go, man. Come on. Is this the volume coming in as what I thought? Let's see if we can get this volume that I was talking about to come in. This is a very beautiful... This is an A trade. I wouldn't say A+, but it's an A trade, right? The daily and the weekly grab previous week highs, as we spoke about. We grabbed previous weekly highs, okay? We started closing back below on EMA. We've come up into the EMA on the 15. We rejected with a nice bearish closure back below. We took the break of this 15-minute candle to go lower. Let's see if we can continue this momentum, man. Yeah, I'm trading MNQ. Yo, chat, come on. If you're in this trade, man, you should be floating in profit, man. You should be floating in the profit. I just take 1-to-1. I can't see another target except the gap on the H1. But I'm up 1k then on my PM. Nice, yeah. So my target is sitting at like a 1-to-3. And the reason I've put my target at this level down here is because this is the weekly open. This is the open of the week, which I want to see price come into, because my prediction is that this weekly candle is going to flip bearish for a pullback. I've got a feeling this weekly candle, it needs to make a bottom wick. Okay, let me zoom up, chat. So look here. This weekly candle, chat, has opened up, right? And we went straight for last week's high. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, by the way. This weekly candle opened up. We went straight for last week's high to the left. We grabbed those highs, and now we're pulling back. I've got a feeling, right? And it hasn't been confirmed yet, but this is more of a feeling I have, that this, because of this instant pullback coming off the previous week's high, this weekly candle can flip bearish. And if it flips bearish and holds below the weekly open, we could maybe sell into last week's low, into this gap down here. But I don't know yet. It is a very far away move. But that's why I'm selling this 15 minute, because for me, it just makes sense. Okay. We had nice closures back below EMA. On the hourly, we had the hourly closure below EMA. Yeah, check. We closed back below EMA. We've been holding below since. That 15 minute pulled back into EMA, right? And we failed to break above. And another good thing, a psychological level. I'm bringing this up in the course I'm building. The psychological level, the 3,500, was also respected. Price couldn't hold above 3,500. Price reversed, closed back below that EMA, and now we're selling off from there. Stop it, my sweet. Hey, my sweeties. Hey, my cuckoos. What is it? Yeah. Damn, that's an impressive daily bias. Yeah, you know what? I mean, if I can do it, you guys can do it. It just takes practice, man. And it doesn't take a lot of practice. You just need to understand candle science, and you need to understand how candles work. If you understand how a candle opens, closes, and everything, you'll understand that, okay, every candle opens, creates a wick, a top wick. And in order for it to create a bottom wick, it needs to flip. And it's when that candle flips is when you make that money. When do I go break even? If we can, guys, I'll go break even if price can hold below the 450s, which is another psychological number. If we can hold below the 450s, yeah, I will go break even. Yeah. Yo, guys, I'm above the 20k mark now. Keep trading, fucking simple, man. Yesterday, guys, one of my dog's teeth fell out and I kept it. I'm so proud of that. Yo, guys, who's still holding this trade with me, man? Is there anybody still in? I know that someone's in. What? Oof. You gonna play? What do you do? What do you do? Come to dad, come. No, stop. Don't you lick my face. Your breath smells horrible. Bring some crazy discounts. Yeah, dude. Let's hope soon, man. Let's hope soon, because I know there's a lot of people here wanting an activation fee. I can't make promises. I don't know what's going to be happening with that. Let's hope, man. But you guys will be the first people to know. Come on, NQ, drop! It wants to drop, dude. I know this, bro. I know how he wants to go for the weekly open. We are trending so nice below EMA. Bailey, come in your bed, please. Stop, okay? Please. Please. Yeah. means we may see all-time highs soon during a New York session, something like. Guys, it's NFP this week, right? So I don't know. We never know. Price can pull back all week long, and then NFP can hit, and price can go for all-time high again. We can't say. We need to just react to what price is doing on that day. Are you trading Funder Pro prop firm? Yeah, I am. You can see I'm trading Funder Pro. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is Funder Pro Futures, dude. Okay, come. You need to sleep now. What are you doing? You're everywhere, okay? Come, sleep, please. Good girl, come sleep. If you guys want to try Funder Pro Futures like I'm doing right now, there's a link in the bio, guys, of the stream. So go down in the bottom of the stream by the description. There's a link there to go check Funder Pro Futures out if you guys want to have a look at their account plans. But they're good, man. They're decent. Like there are uncapped payouts, man. There are uncapped payouts that you can do through them. So you can request $1 billion if you want. $1 billion. NQ. Guys, who's gonna come watch New York? Who's gonna come on my New York session stream today, man? Who is gonna come on the New York session stream with me today? Bailey, sit still, please. You're gonna go to your bed. You need to stop. Okay, you are so irritating right now. Stop. Okay, no, you're going to your bed now, please. Who's coming in the New York session stream with me today, chat? Nice. Guys, if you want to join the New York session stream, check the chat on the screen there with you guys. There's a link to my YouTube channel. Go subscribe and turn your notifications on and you won't miss my New York session streams. Okay, stop. You won't miss the streams. Yo, there's a lot of you. Nice, guys. Yo, definitely go subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, for sure. You won't miss the streams. Wow, I need to learn this kind of patience. Brother, you will learn this patience, my guy. I promise you. Just trade with me every day and you'll figure out that being patient is the easiest part in trading, bro. It's really not hard to be patient in trading, man. No, stop it, please. Come, you want a blueberry? There's a blueberry. Here we go. Yeah, hey, Most of your losses have been from impatience. Yeah, guys, being impatient will ruin your life in trading. I'm serious, man. Patience is like the most important thing. Because psychology is 99% of trading, bro. Monday volume ain't good, huh? Don't you dare get in a range. Yeah. Let's see, man. There's nothing we can do if we get in a range, bro. What are we supposed to do if that happens? Nothing. I don't think we will get in a range, though. Doesn't look like we will, but once again, we never know, do we? Price is really struggling to hold below the 460s, huh? The 460s is holding, man. Bro, I booked $700 using your analysis. Fucking well done, Laksh Trader. Very nice, dude. Might need to nap at 2 a.m. here. Yo, you might need to have a sleep, dude. Kiss the EMA 9 and get your ass down there, Inky. Yeah, let's hope. It's gonna go down, guys. Just be patient, man. It's gonna go down. There's just not enough volume right now because it's Monday. And it's NFP week. Like, let's just chill. Let's chill, guys. Let's just chill. Relax. Relax. Rather there be rather there be slow volume right now than price hit that stop loss. Do you know what I mean? Bailey, stop. Don't come crying here like this, okay? Thank you very much. No. What's the time? 30 minutes we have a lunch, huh? We got an inside bar on the H1. Daniel, let's see, dude. Thank you for telling me. What? Daniel? Daniel just pointed something out. Fuck, I didn't even look at that, bro. I didn't even look at that. So yeah, Daniel just said we got a beautiful inside bar on the hourly. If we can break, man, we really need to break below this low, bro. If we can break below this previous hourly low, that's the break of that inside bar. Yeah, let's see, man, if we can get it. If we can get below, man, if we can get below that 50, the 450s, bro, we're gonna fucking drop. I know these hourly inside bars are power. Yeah, I'm not going break even right now because break even price can still come up into EMA and tap it again. Come on, break this inside bar. Nice, Daniel. Bailey, come in your bed, please. Come, Bailey. In your bed now. Come, stop. In your bed. In your bed, okay? Thank you. There we go. It's flipped, man. The 50-minute it's trying to flip. Patience. Oh man. If we break the bottom of this inside bar, I'm gonna manage my stop. Come on. Get back under the 60s, NQ. World's longest trade goes to this one. I really thought we would have been out this trade already and on to the next. I just sleep. Oh, excuse me, why are you barking? Come here. Come. Don't do that. Come. Oh, my sweet. You're so weird when mom's not here. Trapped in a fake range. I don't know, dude. I don't know, man. What all I can say is price is gonna go down, man. You know. You guys know me. If I say it's gonna do something, it's gonna do something. Price is gonna go down. Just get ready. Hopefully a cliff diver. Man, we are coming for the weekly open. Mark my words. Okay, guys, inside bar's about to break. We're about to break that inside bar. We're about to break that inside bar, chat. If that inside bar breaks, that's confirmed we're going lower. Yeah, I'm going to leave my stop where it is as well. Stop loss always stays above that inside bar high. NQ, man. Break to those 50s right now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yo, pride now, dude. The 60 level is being a fucking bitch, dude. I'm sorry for swearing like that, but oh my god, why can't price get under the 60s? It's just the strangest thing. Get under. We were so close to that inside bar break, chat. What the hell? Some of you think we're going to buy from this level, man. If that happens, it happens. We don't care. Because we're managing risk, man. We're managing risk. I executed the strategy. I'm not going to pussy out of the trade now. So if I'm in, I'm in. If I'm in, I'm in. I shorted for a reason. I have a very valid target and I have a very valid stop loss. So if that stop loss gets hit, it gets hit, and I was wrong. The probability, that 20% of probabilities was against me, and that's okay. But I'm going to stick to my plan, because if I had to exit now because I think price is going to go higher, and this thing drops, that will make me angry that I didn't follow my plan, right? So I would rather take the loss than not take the win. So but yeah, we need to start closing back above EMA in order to tell me price might go higher. But as long as we're below it, yeah, we see, man. Yeah, chat, I'm just gonna quickly go feed the dog, and I'll be back, right? I'll be back in a second. It'll retest the EMA and start dumping. Let's see, man. Let's see if it does that, bro. We can't say just yet, man. We can't say just yet what it's gonna do. What's the time? 15. Yeah, we need to see a 5-minute close back below EMA, man. A 5-minute closure back below EMA would confirm we're going to... The only thing I'm not a fan of is this does look like a bit of a double bottom where price can bounce higher to make a new high. Maybe price... Remember when I said to you guys in the beginning of this trade, this isn't an A+, because we didn't come into this level. Price almost came into this level, right? And then we dropped. So if we touched this level and then dropped, that would have been better. But we didn't get into this level up here. We almost did. Yeah, the 9 is called the wiggly worm, dude, because it looks like a worm. New H4 open, exactly. I want to see. It's hard. I wonder, guys. It's hard to say right now. It is hard to say right now what price might want to do. Let's see, man. The only thing I can do is just trust the setup and let this play out. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not going to fiddle with it. If you guys haven't, man, guys, there's a link in the chat to my YouTube channel where I stream New York session every single day. There's a link where I stream New York session every single day. So guys, definitely go check that out. Go subscribe. There's also a link to my free Discord community where you can, come join us all and learn from each other. Learn the wiggly worm strategy. The world's most simple. Huh. But yeah, the link is in the chat, guys. The Cam's YouTube channel is there. If you guys took profit on the short already, I mean, nice. I mean, absolutely nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. And yeah, the small wins, aka base hits, they pile up. Trust me, when I'm copy trading on my other prop firm accounts, guys, when I copy trade, I only take base hits, man. I just go for small wins because when you copy trading, those add up huge. Huge, huge, huge. This Cam Bam is so weird, dude. You've always been weird, dude. Just subscribe to your YouTube channel. It's very hard to find without the link. I don't know why it's so hard to find. It's probably because everything is spelled one word. But yeah, the link is in the chat, guys. I've pinned the link in the chat to my YouTube channel. So, yeah, let's see, man, what happens there on New York session today. What made me enter the short position? My strategy and my daily bias. You're gonna have to go to go back to the beginning of the stream where I do a breakdown and I explain exactly why I do it. I'm not gonna go over it again now because it is oh. We're gonna sell, guys. We're gonna short. Just be patient. Be patient. We're back in profit though. What's the time? 20. How did the last 15 close? Let's see. Yo, guys, check this, man. Price is holding that 15 EMA. Price is holding that 15 EMA. I want to see Nasdaq come into the weekly open. Depending on what it does at that weekly open, I don't care. I want to see Nasdaq sell off into the weekly open. This pullback was just an EMA retest. EMA is the GOAT of all goated strategies. And fuck, dude. EMA 9, chat. What are you doing if you're not using the EMA 9? It tells you direction. You know? Wow, this is like a bloody 2-hour long trade though. Get the magnets on the screen. I don't think I can put magnets on this platform. I don't know if I can. No. I don't think I can. No. No. Yeah, I didn't know we were swinging. Dude, I won't lie. This scalp trade's turned into a swing trade now. Oh. But it can happen, guys. Sometimes you can enter a trade and volume can just die on you and then it'll just, you know. Let's see, man. Guys, if we break below those 50s, we're going to drop. 100% we're going to drop into the weekly open. EMA need to wake up. Put the Jewish music on. Fuck you guys are funny sometimes, man. Let's change the song though. I swear to God, I'm about to fall asleep. So guys, let me just change the music. Hold on. Let's play some Taylor Swift, you know. I love Taylor Swift. It's a joke. This might wake NQ up, the song. Let's see.
Your life in my shoulder.
Yo guys, man, we're struggling to hold this close back below EMA, man. I feel like we're gonna range. I won't lie, I'm hyping myself up in a range right now. Not every single trade will just go straight to TP, man. You know? But I'm so over this trade. I just want to, I won't lie, I'm so tempted to exit it just because like it's been taking so long. It took the whole session. That's why I think New York session will be really good today. So guys, don't miss the New York session, but yeah, guys, if this trade holds above EMA, we could go for stop loss for sure. Price is holding the 50, the price is holding the 450s quite well, man. We're all holding those 450s, depending on how I might exit early. I'm gonna see. That long wick tells a story. Yes or no? Yo, fuck it. I'm gonna take the loss, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it. Call me stupid, but I don't care. Call me stupid, but I don't care. I'm gonna hold this throughout the turbulence. Can't win them off. We won 15 trades last week. You know what I mean? I can't. A loss is bound to happen at some point. But it's not over yet, you know? It's not over yet. See this, guys. Check how we came into EMA. We had the closure back above. We broke that high. Price is pushing. Yeah, guys, I'm going to get out. Fuck this. I'm getting out.
Order fill.
Alright, I'm getting out that. I'm not holding that shit anymore. Fuck that trade. Seriously, what a piece of shit trade. But it is what it is. I manage risk, man. Only $500 down. Like, it's cool. $600 down. It's cool, man. I'm cutting that loss early. I know I said I wouldn't, but yeah, is what it is. The entry was there to go short. Price just failed to break below those 50s, man. Am I looking for a long setup now? I don't know yet. I can't say yet, man. I'm not, because now if I'm gonna look for long, that's FOMO coming in. I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm just gonna wait to see until I see something. That's the best bet for sure. Yo, Goatee Dog, what's up, dude? We are kind of in a range right now as well, man. Raw Cat, what's up, dude? What's up, man? In 30 minutes we get the inside bar and then it melts down. Let's see, Daniel. There's no inside bar on the 30-minute though. We still have that hourly. We're about to break the high of that hourly inside bar. So for me, guys, if I'm going to look for longs from where price is currently, I'm going to need to see... Sorry, I'm going to zoom up for you guys so you can see clearly. If I'm going to look for long, like me personally, I need to see price break above EMA and close above on the hourly. If I can get an hourly closure above EMA I can maybe then start looking for a long. I'm not going to take the long, I'll look for a long. If we can close above EMA and break this inside bar high. Yeah. But this might only happen New York session though. We might only get this in the New York session. So that's why I'm going to wait very patiently. And see if New York session gives a good opportunity. Because we're going to make money, bro, in the New York session. Guys, if you want to trade the New York session, there's a link in the chat. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll see it there. Yeah. There is red folder news, I think, today. I'll have a look later, though. Guys, on the New York session, guys, I'm going to be dropping some very, very, very big news today. Some people have already seen it, but I'm dropping some very big news on the New York session today. So definitely be there if you want to hear the news. But it's very, very, very exciting stuff that I'm going to be dropping for all of you guys today. Yeah. Let's see, man. I'm going to stay on, guys, for a little bit longer, see if something gets given. But if not, we're going to end the stream and I'll come back to the New York session. You don't want to miss the New York session, chat, yeah? Come on. If you miss it, don't come crying to me tomorrow and say, "Oh, Cam, I missed the session." There's a link in the chat, man. Go subscribe to my channel, man. No bottom wick 50-minute candles. Yeah, dude. Honestly, I think NQ's ranging right now, bro. I think we're in a range right now, man. It's hard to say what's going to happen. Guys, I start the New York session in 1.5 hours. I started at 2 p.m. my time. I start the New York session and I trade until I trade in the New York sessions for 2 hours as well, chat. So yeah, I go right into the New York Open and beyond. yeah. The reason I trade the pre-New York session is because there's usually sometimes good movements happening in that time. I don't want to miss something, you know what I mean? I don't want to come on just at that New York Open because, guys, a lot of the time, New York session can be really shit at the New York Open and price can just chop around because there's so much manipulation. So if I can see a move before, I'll definitely trade it. So that's why I go before, so I can trade it live. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm going to sit out of this right now. If you do take any trades, definitely send them in the free community on Discord. But in order to find the Discord, guys, go on my YouTube channel. You'll see it there for the free community. But guys, yeah, I'm going New York session live in 1.5 hours. Yeah, go subscribe. The link is in the chat, guys. So I've just pinned the link in the chat to my YouTube. Go click that link. If you guys want to what was I saying? If you guys want to trade FunderPro futures, check the bio, guys. Check the information below. You'll see a link to go sign up with FunderPro futures and trade them. Go check them out for sure. There's some really cool accounts currently running. But other than that, I love you all so much, and I'll see you soon in the next hour and a half on the New York session on my YouTube channel. Anyways, guys, much love. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.